cost for planting the glass is 25 ringgit per square meter. So that means we have to calculate the area, how many square meter, right? So let's go to the area planted by glass is here. These are the area that we need to find. Okay, so we want to know how much we spend for planted the glass. Alright, so we have to find the area. So basically when we find the area, we will focus to the triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle. This is 18, this is 10. So we have two triangles, right? So later we have to times 2. So at the moment we just find one triangle first. So area for the triangle is 1/2 times 18 times 10. So we have 90 for one area. This is A1. And then we have to minus out the sector. We have another area of triangle A2, also 90, right? Okay, they are exactly the same. And we have to minus out the area for the sector, which is inside here. I'm going to show you the area here. This is area that we need to minus out. So we have the angle already just now. This angle was 2.127 or 8, up to you. If your answer is 2.128, you use your answer. So this is a sector with the radius 10. So we just use A3 is 1/2 times 10 square times 2.127. Right? So that will give you the area for the sector. Sector in red color. So the area for the sector in red color, we need to minus out. So shaded region, we will take A1 plus A2 minus A3. That means we will take 180 minus out the area for the sector. Alright, so that is how you work out the answer. Let's see the answer right now. So after you calculate, you got the area. Let's say your area is 73.65 meter square, right? 1 meter square, you need to pay ringgit Malaysia 25 ringgit. So how much is the cost for planting the glass? You have to multiply times with the 25 ringgit. So the answer will be RM 1841.25 cents. So these are the costs spent for planting the glass. Area for the triangle, we have two triangles, is 0.5 times with the 18, right? Base height is 10. 10 is a radius and tangent perpendicular. And we need to times 2 because they are two right angle triangle, right? So we get an area 180, and we have to minus the area of the sector, which is 0.5 times the radius 10 square, and then the angle is 2.127. If you got 2.128, there is a slightly different of the answer. So follow your answer. If your angle is 2.127, then go ahead. So the area is 73.65 for the area planted with the grass. And because of the cost, so we have to times with the 25 ringgit for 1 meter square. So total cost spent is 1,841 ringgit and 25 cents. Alright, answer is finding the area for the triangle, right? Area for the triangle is half base and height. So is 1 mark for calculate the area of the triangle, and you have to times 2 because there are two triangles, right? Times 2. So this is area for the sector that you need to minus out. So it's 1/2 radius, and this is, if 7, your answer is 7, you change to 7. If your answer is 2.128, you use 2.128. So for sure there will be some difference with the answer. If you use 2.127, you will get 73.65, and then you times with the 25. So the answer maybe will be a little bit different. Ringgit Malaysia 1841.25. Okay, so that is how you work out the answer.